Hey, can you see me? It's like it's dark out. Yeah. Can you see me, Tori?
Kinda.
Well, people don't really need to see me anyway.
There's like a blur with
Here,
that.
look at this. We're doing this on a Friday night. This is buffalo chicken pizza. This is a naan bread. Is that how you say it? Naan? Nani? Nani? See that? Can you see it, everybody?
Yeah.
So we do this a lot. Got these at Walmart. Comes in a 2-pack. These are roasted garlic. They have just traditional. And we got this Tyson. It's frozen chicken, shredded chicken. Okay? That's pretty easy too. And then another Walmart product, Buffalo Ranch pizza sauce. And of course, great value Italian style cheese. This is just a great meal you can do during the week. And I've been real interested to try it on the Blackstone, like any kind of pizza, because I've seen it's done. And I don't think it's really that complicated. I think it's putting it on there. And of course getting the lid, because really all you're going to do is you're going to warm it up and put the lid on it to get the cheese out. Right? It should be that simple.
Yeah, and the bread crusty.
Yeah, you want to get the bread a little toasted. We don't like real crispy pizza here. We like it, you know, pliable and chewy. So yeah. So I wanted to give this a try. We already ate a couple. Aiden's in charge of making these. Aiden made them for everybody in the house already. We already had some. Tori just did some cheese and pepperoni and sauce, and they're really tasty. I mean, this stuff is, if you're looking for a good, you know, alternative to pizza crust, I mean, some of it that you buy in these stores is just bad. So we found this. I think it was Aiden's idea. We're going to look for some kind of flatbreader. We found that over by the deli in Walmart. It's not that expensive. And buffalo chicken. I love buffalo chicken. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do. I got the Blackstone set on pretty much low. I don't even need to have that burner on. And we're just going to grill it up, fry it up, dome it up, whatever you want to call it. And I'll bring it in the house and we'll show you what it looks like, you know, top, bottom. So it's not a big deal, but I wanted to try it, and I was like, Tori was in there making cupcakes. I was like, Tori, come on, let's go do a video. And she, you know, she agreed. Oh, that's a joke.
What?
You didn't see it.
Oh, yeah.
That's a little joke. Tori's getting triggered. And
I just waved like, hi guys. I forgot about it. I already forgot about it.
That's a little joke we got going on here. So yeah. So that's what we're going to do. I'll do another Saturday video tomorrow. I think I got an idea. It'll just be a lunch. Italian sausage.
This is news to me. What?
Yeah. I think Aiden and I will just have it for lunch. And then you guys can have like skillet queso or something like that.
Ooh, that sounds good.
That's usually what you guys have. Anyway, we're living our lives. It's Friday night. We're all done with work. And we're going to get these. Yeah, it's getting a little brown on the bottom. All right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Not that much, but I just want to get a little bit of steam in there. A little squirt of water. All right, that's it. We'll bring it in the house, as we usually do, and I'll show you what they look like. I just wanted to give it a try, and I wanted you to all give it a try with me. 129 subscribers, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.
Christmas.
Oh, yeah, Christmas time, huh? Even though it's like, what, 75 degrees out?
Yeah, it's warm out.
It's crazy.
Let's get a cold front, though. This
is the house at night. Yeah, it's supposed to be colder tomorrow. Everyone's driving home from work. I'm boring everybody. We'll bring it in the house and show you what it looks like.
Gee.
All right, there it is. There it is. Okay, the cheese melted, but it got fairly crispy on the bottom. Now, for a lot of people, that'll be A-okay, you know, because probably people like crispy pizza. I don't really like it. Don doesn't really like it. So, it got a little crispy for our standards. Look, oh boy. So, obviously, just don't let it cook as long on the Blackstone. Don't look at that. All right, there it is. Non-buffalo chicken pizza. It's extra crispy for your eating pleasure. All right, thank you, and have a good night, and I'll do another video tomorrow. I promise.
Oh boy.
Habanada.